What up, y'all? It's your boy D-Tap from Inked and Lace. How's everyone doing? Haven't done a video in a minute. This one's a little bit different, very different. It is a mystery unboxing, but not for streetwear or shoes, sneakers, whatever. Let's get right into it. So it said it'll be delivered in 4 to 12 days. It's delivered in 2. Adams Polishes. I ordered the mystery bucket. It's like $69.99 American. Well, I'm Canadian. It came out to like 120 bucks after taxes and shipping. Let's see what's in here. Hopefully I get what I paid for at least. So we got here Adams Polish bucket. Put this right here. Do not know what this thing is. Gonna have to search and see what this is. No idea what that is. We got some wheel cleaner, some tires shine, some glass cleaner, nozzle, applicators for the tire shine, spray wax, okay. More nozzles. Glass boost. Protects exterior glass surfaces and extends the longevity of Adams glass sealant. Okay. I don't think I have any glass sealant. Maybe it's still in the bucket. Got here. Great white drying towel. Can use that. Don't have a drying towel. 2-pack glass cleaning towel. And a brush. And dirt collector for the bucket. Oh, got one more thing. Adams Polish sticker. I have to go price all this stuff out online and see what it comes out to. Tire shine, if it's water base, I needed water-based tire shine. Wheel cleaner, don't really care for, could use it though. Glass cleaner, also can see how this works. Spray wax is good, it's Carnauba infused, so definitely gonna use this. This glass boost, I think you need another product to enhance the protection of that product. I don't know, I have to read more about this. I definitely have to find out what the heck this thing is. Not sure what that is. Brush looks pretty decent. Towels are pretty decent. So not too bad of a bucket. I was hoping I was gonna get one of those. I think it was the red lip. They came with a lot more stuff. But I'll price all this out and see if I got my money's worth. And I'll try the products and see how good they are. So I just priced everything out from Adams Polish. I did pay $122.69 Canadian, and after pricing everything out, it came out to $234.06. So I did pretty good on this mystery bucket, I'd say. Haven't tried anything yet. I will try everything pretty soon. This is a golf sock, whatever it's called. I'm never gonna use this, so I don't know what to do with this. But yes, I figured it out what it was. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.